What's up, y'all? Lewis Scott here, making our update video for December. If you notice, if you're watching this video on Facebook and you notice I changed the name of this album from I can't remember what it was because I changed it probably about a couple of days ago, trading from 3,000 to 100,000 to now it just says my Forex journey. And I changed the name up to My Forex Journey because I didn't want to have any limitations on me mentally as I go about this journey as just getting to 100,000, because the last thing you want on your life or on you period is limitations. You don't want any limitations. So that's why I changed the name of the album. And if you're watching the video anyplace else, then you won't see that. So December was a pretty good month. December is normally what's called a slow month, especially like the last two weeks of it, because you got the holidays and a lot of banks are closed. A lot of people in other countries are on extended holidays, and it really the forex market really won't get back to normal until around the 15th of January. So I had two options, and with running the software, I'm 100% in control of my settings and what I do. I could have chose to just not run the software, and I thought about it, just not running the software at all, because of with the banks being closed, a lot of the, again, you say big money people are not in the market, which means there's not a lot of liquidity in the market. So that's not a lot of money moving back and forth, moving back and forth. If that is taken out of the market, then there's stagnation. So I could have just not ran my software and then just be out of the market. And then I could have just ran my software on a demo account just to see what would have happened. Now I said, I really don't want to do that. So I decided to just go ahead and run my software, but dial back my settings to be a little bit more conservative than what I normally would be. So I just ran my settings half of what I normally would do on my lot size, and I'm happy. I'm happy. One, I'm happy with my results. And then two, I'm happy that I did it, because if I didn't do it, then it would be woulda, coulda, shoulda, what would have happened. You'd have that in your mind, and you don't want to have that in your mind. So you want to, you know, run it at your own risk and find your own risk tolerance. And then when there's news events, especially like with a bunch of holidays and not a lot of liquidity in the market, then just dial back your settings and trust the software. Okay. So I think that's pretty much it. It's about a 3-minute video. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna wrap up this video, and the journey is still going on. We're still moving forward. And like I said, as long as I'm still making videos, you're gonna know that I'm still trading in Forex, because I'm utilizing Forex as just another investment market to be invested in. And that's pretty much diversification. You want to be diversified. You want to stay diversified in different markets. And my motto is saying, if you're not diversified, you'll be crucified. So stay diversified. All right. Yeah, have a great one.